Mister, I am Dania. Can I
Ask you.
ask you a question?
Okay, sure, Dania. Go ahead.
What can you do in TGV?
I can study, I can play with my friends, and I can talk to my friends.
What can you do in your house?
In my house, I can do many things. I can sleep, I can eat, I can play games, I can cook. How about you? What can you do in your house?
I can play bicycle, play iPad, and watching TV.
Ooh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
What can't you do in TGV?
What?
Can't you do in TGV?
Can't? Oh, what can't you do? Oh, I cannot litter, I cannot destroy and damage TGV.
Can you sleep in TGV?
No, I cannot sleep in TGV.
Can you speak Chinese?
Can I speak Chinese? Hmm. Uh, no, because we are English course. So in TGV, we must speak English. Yes.
Thank you, Mister.
Okay. High five.
Hello, my name is Vijay. Can you tell
Louder, I can't hear you. Louder.
what can what can you do in TGV?
What can I do at TGV? At TGV, I can play with my friend. I can speak English, and I can socialize with my friend and teacher and also students.
What can you do in my house?
In your house? I don't know. I never go to your house. In your house.
In your house.
Repeat. What can you do in
What
your
can
house?
you do in your house?
Okay, in my house, I can sleep, I can eat, and I can play with my cat.
What can you do in TGV?
Repeat.
What can you do in TGV?
What can I do at TGV? At TGV, I can't speak bahasa. I cannot speak bahasa. I can't disturbing the peace, and also I can't bother people.
Can you speak? Can you sleep in TGV?
Can I sleep at TGV? Yes, I can. I can sleep at TGV.
Can you can you can you speak Chinese in TGV?
Speak Chinese at TGV? I cannot speak Chinese at TGV. Not only at TGV, everywhere. I can't speak Chinese at all.
Thank you, Mister.
Okay, you're welcome.
Hello, Miss. My name is Hanif. I want to ask you,
Okay, Hanif.
what do you can you do in TGV? What can you do in TGV?
Okay, in TGV, I can teach, I can learn English, and I can play.
What can you do in your house?
In my house, I can cook, and then I can play my phone, and then I can sleep in my bedroom.
What do you can what
Can't
can you do in TGV?
repeat.
What can you do in TGV?
In TGV, I can't run, I can't play fire, and then I can't speak bahasa.
Can you sleep in TGV?
No, I can't.
Can you speak Chinese?
Can I speak Chinese? I only know what I need. So no, I can't.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.
Hello, my name is Nicholas. I want to ask down.
So ask you,
I
ask you,
ask you question. What can you do? What can you do in TGV?
What can I do in TGV? I can study. I can play with my friends. And I can study English.
What can you do in my house?
In my house or in your house?
In my house.
In your house.
In your house.
Oh, in your house. If in my house, I can play games. I can watch TV. I can watch movies, and then I can sleep.
Do you? What can you? What can you in TGV?
What can?
What can you in TGV?
What can't you?
In TGV.
No, before in TGV. What can't you?
What can you? Do you?
What can't you?
What can you do?
In
Do
in the
TGV?
Okay, I cannot speak Bahasa. I cannot speak Chinese. And then I cannot sleep.
Can you sleep? Can you sleep in? Can you sleep in? Can you sleep in TGV?
No, I cannot.
Can you speak Chinese?
No, I cannot.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Nasiha. Can I?
Can I class you?
Sure. What is that? What do you want to ask?
What can you in?
What can you do?
What can you
do?
in TGV?
At TGV, I can study and play with my friends. What can you do at TGV?
I can play hide and seek.
Okay. Ding. Next.
What can you in?
Repeat. What can
What can
you do?
you do in your
In your
house?
in my house. In my house, I can cook and I can play with my cat. Tidak bisa. What can't?
I can.
What can't?
What can you do
In
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 TGV?
in TGV, I cannot speak bahasa.
Can you sleep TGV?
In TGV, I think in TGV I cannot sleep because I need to teach.
Can you speak Chinese?
I cannot. Can you speak Mandarin? Can you speak Chinese?
No, I can't.
Okay, ting.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome, Nasiha.